This is Cindicator Capital, and they are looking to democratize artificial intelligence in trading so you can make the best decisions before you invest, before you trade. And on this channel, we've covered Autonio and Numera AI before, which kind of do the same thing. So follow us and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet already. Cindicator is in 470th place at $60 million. It is cheap compared to other cryptocurrencies. The upside potential is huge. That's why we are speaking about them. And this is on CoinMarketCap. I found it pretty cool. So it breaks down all the different cryptocurrencies in category. So if you're looking for smart contracts or NFTs or media or video or logistics or gaming or AI, you can go and filter it in the category you want and then look in each category, and that I found was pretty cool. Cindicator supposedly returned over 300% in 2020 alone. It beats Bitcoin and it is fully automated. And it is the best crypto trading bot with a hedge fund advantage. That's how they are marketing themselves, and it shows a chart of 2020. I do want to see what happened before April because the crash happened in March and February. So what happened there? That is something they did not disclosed on their website, which I would like to see them actually disclose it. They have over 150,000 different analysts registered with Cindicator, and it is by far the largest in terms of users, I believe, as compared to Numera AI and Autonio, because those two do not have 100,000 plus users. This Cindicator is claiming to have that many users, which is why we are covering them, and they do almost the exact same thing. So you have to have a minimum deposit and pay a fee for the service, and they have their own cryptocurrency. So although you're paying for the fee, the cryptocurrency is something different. And they go into more detail about the statistics, the returns that they have provided for their users in 2020 and before, and why they are valuable, the AI technology that is used by them to give you a binary decision. Either you should buy or sell. That is as simple as that, but in the stock market, in the crypto market, it's obviously harder said than done, especially if you're an active trader. That's why so many traders lose money, and I myself, every time I've tried to trade before, I was net negative. I lost money, and that's why in many ways I have changed my whole attitude. Investing for the future is the way to go, I believe, after making so many different mistakes. But Cindicator is looking to give traders an extra resource so they don't end up like me, so they don't end up making so many bad decisions and they come out profitable. So that is a value attraction of Cindicator. Again, in many ways they are like Numera AI and like Autonio, which we will cover a little bit at the end of the video, but there is a free model for this and then a model that you pay $99 a month for. But something that you guys have to pay attention to is these prediction models that Cindicator is offering are tiered. So the $99 one is actually cheaper than the other more expensive packages that they offer. So they have a lot of different packages depending on you, depending on if you're a hedge fund yourself. Like if you have your own crypto hedge fund or your own stock hedge fund and you want to use this technology, you will pay more, obviously, than if you were just a person. So that is something you need to keep in your mind. And they go again into much more detail about their technology. I will leave a link to the website down below so you guys can feel free to check it out. I thought it was super cool, and the fact that we've covered Numera AI and Autonio on this channel, and these are some of the different packages we are speaking about. So you have Explorer, Trader, and the Expert, and then Enterprise. And that one you have to contact them for more details. And this is the price of the CND token, Cindicator token. And if we zoom in, we'll see that we broke out of many resistance levels that we have been stuck in for the past 2.5 years almost. Literally just 2 months ago, we just went straight up. And now that we broke major resistance points, expect this to keep going up. I believe in the next year, we can easily see this hit 10 cents, and that is being conservative. So if I draw out this line, it is predicting us to go to about 10 cents by October, and that gives us about 5 months, 6 months for us to achieve that. Do you think that's possible? Do you think Cindicator can get to 10 cents? Leave a comment down below. Tap that subscribe button if you have not yet already, because not many people know about Cindicator. I went online, I went on YouTube and Googled it. Not many people at all know about Cindicator, and it is very under the radar. Some really good news that came out a couple weeks ago was the fact that they're partnering up with Bloomberg. And that means that now over 300,000 users that are using Bloomberg are going to be introduced to the Cindicator technology. And the Cindicator is not just for crypto, it's also for stocks, so like Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, and many other stocks as well. They are looking to hire a Reddit expert, as this article suggests, and they want someone who is very good at memes and knows the sentiment of the market, so they don't focus too much on the technicals, but how are people feeling? Because people invest with their emotions, and that's what Cindicator is trying to bring on board. They are growing their team, which is nice to see. One thing I want to mention is that this article was from 3 years ago, and they were predicting that it was going to go up towards $5, even $20 by the end of the year, and that was a couple years ago. We are nowhere close to that, so that's just a disclosure. This video, yes, although it's very positive on Cindicator, you need to do your own research because there are more competitors. There are Otonio, like we mentioned, and there is Numero AI that are trying to do the exact same thing, offering you trading pairs, resources, tools, and leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to achieve that goal, to help you become a better trader. So there are other projects out there that are doing this. A couple years ago, Cindicator might have been the most advanced, but right now the competition is heating up. And Numero AI also, just like Antonio, uses machine learning to predict the stock market. And you can go and upload your models and you can get paid for how accurate your models are. And we speak a lot about them on this channel. Numero AI is worth around $400 million, I believe. Antonio is just 20. Cindicator is 60 million. So it is undervalued if you compare it to Numero AI. And the technology seems very promising. And on top of that, they are actually partnering up with Bloomberg. That is huge news, guys, and I believe that this is the beginning of Cindicator. I'm going to play you a quick promo video of the Cindicator, and I hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, real quick, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy.
The era of hybrid intelligence ecosystems is here. Humans are merging their minds with machine intelligence. We are part of this process. To date, over 136,000 decentralized analysts from around the world have registered with the Cindicator app. The platform has collected over 14 million forecasts. Enhanced by artificial intelligence, these forecasts enter the ecosystem as ready-to-use trading signals. The team has built a proprietary trading platform with hundreds of algorithmic investment strategies. The CND token is now one of the most widely used utility tokens. We have been working on this for 5 years. What's next? Today, Cindicator is launching the key part of the open hybrid intelligence ecosystem. Cindicator Capital is the first quantitative crypto fund powered by hybrid intelligence. It is the ecosystem's entry point for capital from professional and institutional investors all over the globe. The first stage of fundraising, which is available for a limited number of the most valuable partners, has now started. Find out more on the Cindicator Capital website.